In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export from Excalidraw. If you've created a sketch, a flowchart, or a quick wireframe in Excalidraw and want to share it or drop it into a document or slide, exporting the image correctly makes all the difference. I'll walk you through the exact clicks and explain what each option means so you get a crisp, clean result every time. First, head over to excalidraw.com. Make sure your drawing looks the way you want it to. Take a moment to center your content on the canvas and zoom to a comfortable view so you can clearly see what you're exporting. While zoom doesn't change the final resolution, it helps you confirm that everything is in place. Next, open the main menu by clicking the three-line menu icon near the top of the interface. This is sometimes called the hamburger menu. From there, choose Export Image or simply Export depending on the version you're seeing. Both options lead you to the same export controls. Now it's time to choose a format. You'll typically pick between PNG and SVG. PNG is a raster image, great for quick sharing, email, chat, and most slide decks. It's widely compatible and looks exactly like your canvas. SVG is a vector format that stays sharp at any size, which is perfect for designers, developers, and anyone who needs to scale the graphic or keep lines ultra crisp. If you're unsure and just need a standard screenshot-like file, PNG is a safe choice. If you plan to resize or edit in vector tools, go with SVG. Before exporting, adjust your image settings. Set the background color to match your destination, or turn the background off if you want a transparent look that blends seamlessly into websites or slides. Adjust the scale to control quality. Increasing the scale to 2x or 3x makes text and lines sharper for presentations and printing, though higher scales create larger files. For PNG, scale directly affects pixel dimensions. For SVG, scaling isn't as critical since it's vector-based, but you may still see options relevant to how it's embedded. Explore other image options available to you, such as padding around the drawing, to ensure nothing gets cropped too tightly. When everything is set, click to download the file to your device. Your browser will save it to your default downloads location unless you choose a destination. Give the file a clear name, then open it to confirm the quality and background look right for your use. That's it, you've exported from Excalidraw with confidence, ready to share or embed wherever you need.